So today we are going to be talking about percentage error and tolerance. So starting off with percentage error, let's say we are measuring the length of a box, and just by looking at it we estimate that its length is approximately 20 centimeters. We then take out our ruler, we measure the box, and we find that it is actually 24 centimeters long. So the error in our estimate is simply the difference between our estimate and the true value. So in this case, it's going to be the difference between 24 centimeters and 20 centimeters, which is of course 4 centimeters. The relative error of our estimate is the error divided by the true value. So in this case, our error we just calculated as 4, and the true value is 24. So we can simplify that to 1/6. So our relative error in this case is 1/6. Percentage error is simply the relative error multiplied by 100/1, or the relative error expressed as a percentage. So in this case, it's 1/6 multiplied by 100/1, which is 16.6%. Now moving on to tolerance. So the tolerance is the greatest range of variation allowed around your answer. So in order to get the tolerance range, you add and subtract half of the tolerance to get the interval. So for example, let's say in a measurement, the true value, the answer that they're looking for is 14. So let's say in this case, they have given you a tolerance of 1. So in this case, we are going to add and subtract half of the tolerance to the value. So half of 1 is obviously a half. So subtracting a half, we get 13.5, and adding a half, we get 14.5. So in this case, the tolerance interval is anything from 13.5 to 14.5. So this tolerance interval is the range of values that will be accepted as an answer. So the actual answer is 14, but any answer between 13.5 and 14.5 will be accepted. So that's it for percentage error and tolerance. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you again soon.